morning traders, and welcome to another edition of CTFX market reviews. And in today's sort of overview, I want to have a look at Euro US dollar. I've taken a position over there literally about 15-20 minutes ago, or well, probably about half an hour ago. And I just spotted a quick position that we could have taken advantage of, and I just jumped in impulsively. And yeah, this is the kind of pattern that we speak about in our course. So if you've done the course, if you're on this lesson already, which is probably lesson number 18 or 19 or something like that, I can't remember, then you would have noticed this pattern developing and obviously taken advantage of it. As you can see, we're already up $81 over here, so that's quite good. I'm not complaining there. My target would probably be around this area, which is 226, if not a bit lower to the next level, which is 404. So I'll sort of be over ambitious over here and set it at 404. But if I check my charts later and we're looking at 200, I'll just close it there. Why not? 200 is better than nothing. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at today, guys. And as you can see, the profits are rising on this level. And like I said in the course, we show you how to take advantage of these little opportunities in the market, which is quite profitable. And undoubtedly, after a few practice runs on your side, you will see how obvious it becomes, and you will realize that it's a very, very simple method of trading. So anyway, guys, that's my position currently on Euro US dollar, hoping to reach a target of 200. If I see any other trades worth profiting from today, guys, I will send you alerts and I will let you know, and you can obviously take advantage of it. And yeah, that's basically what we're looking at today. Dollar tanked last night around 9 p.m. South African time, and it hit a new low. Well, it really took a nosedive last night, as you can see over here. Just retraced a little bit and continued down, but I'm anticipating a little bit of strength today, just basically to catch up with itself after last night's FOMC release. But nonetheless, I'm still anticipating a further decline of the dollar in the long run. So for now, don't take it as gospel, but that's basically what we're looking at right now. Dollar is in a very weak position, so seriously seeing some declining sort of level of decline over here for the dollar. So let's look at that at some other day, other time. But right now, Euro US dollar, guys, that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm feeling right now. We're already reaching 100, and I didn't take that trade too long ago. It's 8:15 a.m. now, so markets should open within the next 45 minutes, and we should see some shaking. All right, guys, just a quick, let's just have a quick check of what's happening on the news front. Give me 1 second. Let me get that window up for you guys. There we go. Right, today, Thursday, we got some unemployment claims at around 3:30. That's when London opens, and there was a bit of movement. Let me just refresh this page. There was a bit of movement on the Aussie last night, which obviously weakened the Aussie US dollar. Sorry, the Australian dollar, and basically that gave the dollar a bit more strength due to the weakness, but everything else seems a bit pretty straightforward over here. Yeah, so 6 o'clock is crude oil inventories, so that should probably give it some more strength, but we never know. Anyway, we'll look forward to that today, guys, and I shall update you on my current trade, which is the Euro US dollar, which you can see is peaking already as we speak. Alright, guys, I shall keep you updated and we'll chat later. Thanks very much. Alright, guys, just to update you on our Euro US dollar trade, let me go back into it so you guys can see where we are at. Okay, we're looking quite good here, and currently on hitting our, well, closing in our take profit. We're looking at a decent profit level over here of 242 from the time we started out, and 250 racing in so you guys can see. Let's get that profit. 265. Yeah, we're almost there, guys. If you took this trade with me this morning, well done to you. And if you didn't, then you need to learn the skill so that you can take these trades with us. Let's have a look. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, I'm hoping it hits our take profit while you guys are seeing this video, so I'll just be patient if you can be patient, and we'll just see it through. Let's see, our expectations about 323. If I hit about 300, then I'll probably just manually close it. If not, let's just let it run. Alright, so it looks like we're closing in quite swiftly. Once the Euro session begins, that obviously determines what we're looking for in the market, and our course basically runs over what we should look for in the market when we're taking a trade or before getting into a trade. We're not just jumping all over the show and jumping into a trade just because it looks like it's going down or it looks like it's going up. We actually know what we're doing, guys, so it's very important. Don't just get into a trade because it looks like it's going up or it looks like it's going down. You need to have reasons for entry. You need to understand what the reasons are. You can't just go on luck. Remember, guys, this is a business. It's not a gambling slot machine, because that's what a lot of people do. We jump into trades like these because we don't know actually what we're doing, and that's not everybody. That's just the traders that don't actually know what they're doing. Alright, guys, so we're hitting our take profit area over there, as you can see, 300, slightly touching it, but yeah, let's just see if it hits that section over there. If not, I'll just close it manually so you guys can see. Alright, okay, let's see what's going on the 15 minutes. Right. Okay. If it hits that 300 again, I'll just close it off again. Right. Alright, guys, so as I said, like these are the kind of lessons that we teach in our course, and to make it very, very simple for you guys to understand so that you can profit quite easily. It's once you understand the flow of the market like we teach in our course and the structure of the market, you'll understand and see these kind of potential trades whatever chart you open. It's not only specific to Euro US dollar. I mean, we're just using this as an example for you guys to see the simplicity of how we take our trades. You with me? So it's fairly simple. I really just want to stay with you guys here so that I hope you can stay with me so you can see this profit through. If not, I'll just close it at the next sort of level that I assume that we can take profit at. Right. What I'll do is I'll probably pause the video for a second. This is actually going to tank much further down, so I don't want to keep you guys hanging over here. So what I'll do is let's just assume I closed it now, because I don't want to keep you guys for too long on here. So I'm anticipating a further decline of the euro. So whether you guys want to stick around and hang into the trade is up to you. Whether you want to close it, it's up to you. But I'm actually very hesitant about my take profit, because I know it's going to go much further than that. But for the sake of this video, that's why I'm trying to keep it in so you guys can see it hit watch it hit my first take profit area, my anticipated profit area of 320 or whatever. Yeah, so it's up to you guys. I mean, you can hang in onto the trade. Well, I'm anticipating a further drop of this euro during the course of today, so don't take it as gospel, guys, but that's just my view at the moment. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna end off this video right now. I don't want to keep you guys. I know you're probably busy doing things. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I probably won't push out any market reviews tomorrow because it's Friday. I'm not a very keen Friday trader, but I will give my input on a few pairs so you guys can take note of it and see how we seeing it here at CTFX, and how we train our students on how to trade and how to see the market and what positions to take based on what reasons. Alright guys, as you can see, it's kind of moving again into a profit over here. So like I said, I will stick around, but I'm gonna end the video off. Alright, anyway guys, safe trading and don't take any chances, don't gamble. Trading is not a gambling station, it's not a slot machine. If you know what you're doing, take the trade. If you don't, get some guidance, get some help, do a course with us and get the knowledge to maintain your business and make some profits. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut it off here, and I shall chat to you probably on Monday. Well, probably tomorrow. Well, I'll send out some things. Alright, keep an eye out on the YouTube channel, or just connect to, or however you're getting these. I mean, just keep an eye out for it and hopefully take some notes. Alright, thanks a lot guys, I'll speak to you on Monday.